welcome to vlog 15. Pretty excited this week. There's just so much going on at Perception Engineering. Had to stop and get some video of the Grand River drive past here. This is the bridge take to go back and forth from Perception Engineering to Clarity Manufacturing, and the river's rising. I thought it was pretty cool to include in the video. They're saying it's the highest it's been since 2013, where we had a lot of flooding here in West Michigan. So, but anyway, yeah, welcome to this week's vlog. It's just, sometimes you just need to stop and enjoy the surroundings, and even though life is busy and things move quickly, sometimes you just need to take a step back and enjoy the process and enjoy the journey. I know I mentioned it a little bit last vlog about how you just need to take on challenges and overcome them, but sometimes it's just you get so tied up in dealing with the situation, the challenge, that you forget to kind of enjoy the process and enjoy every day as it comes. Just need to take a step back sometimes and just think about how far you've come. And I know it's always easy to get tied up into what's next and you know, all the daily tasks that need to get done and what didn't you get done, but take a look at what you did get done and what you did accomplish. Okay, so tonight we're heading to the Grand Rapids Inventors Network, or GRIN, G-R-I-N, Grand Rapids Inventors Network. It's been a while since I've attended a GRIN event. Also, there's a good topic that they're talking on, so hopefully we'll videotape some of that and show it on the vlog. Hopefully gave ourselves enough time to get to the GRIN event. Got about an hour. It's about a 35-minute drive, but I'm gonna grab some food on the way. So hopefully the traffic's not too bad. We're gonna hit about the 5 o'clock traffic going through Grand Rapids, which is always a good time. See how that goes. Fast food place on the way. I think I'm gonna stop at Freddy's. See if it's any good. Looks good. Fair.
First time here?
It's been a really long time, so probably gotta.
You remember Sean Spider?
Yep. I've assumed that.
done me a lot of great favors, and I owe him huge. But he also understands what it means when you're at that prototype stage or when you're at that production stage, and he's got the equipment and the know-how to make things.
And so a big need for quality product design and getting products to market for individuals and small companies that didn't have a technical background. So being an engineer, everybody likes to approach me and say, hey, you're smart, you're an engineer, you know how to do these things. How do we get our products there? And I really didn't have an avenue to point them to. So that became Magnum's focus.
Great topic, good discussion with inventors talking about the new product development process. Hopefully going to make it again next month.